Today you're going to see how we restore a Soviet missile cargo ship sunk 47 years ago.
Bring it down 20 feet, watch the current. Roger, 20 feet.
We're going down.
Sonar, give me a depth confirmation on that anomaly.
Reading 50 meters, Chief. Holding steady.
We need structural assessment before lift point installation on these containers.
The sonar shows significant hull stress here.
Sky Crane 21 established in the hover. Confirm visual on the Strongback. Over. Lift initiated. Hold steady at 200 feet. We have heavy vibration on the lines. Monitor closely. Sequence engaged. All stations report green. Adjusting starboard side, bring it down another meter. Control, this is operations. The wreck is fully seated. Cribbing secure. Lift complete. Command, we are detecting elevated readings near the auxiliary port.
Acknowledged. Maintain distance until sweep is complete.
The reading is 0.42. Log that immediately.
Confirmed. Logging now.
Control, this is Alpha Lead. Site is secure, no breaches detected. We are advancing to the next stack.
All 12 containers secured and stable, weapons officer. Phase complete.
Confirmed, team lead. We will take it from here. Cut line marked. Ready for tension check.
Confirmed. Go ahead with the burn.
The corrosion here is extensive, far worse than anticipated.
Agreed. The structural integrity is severely compromised. We need to recommend immediate repairs.
Bring it down slowly on the starboard side.
Okay, the pins are lining up. We're good here.
Perfect alignment. Solid work, crew. Bring the press down another 2 inches. Copy that. Monitoring the stress points now. All right, slowly lift it up. Watch the clearance on the turbo.
It's cracking free.
Keep going, we've got it.
Bring her down, slow and steady, watch the starboard side.
Looks good, we have a precision fit.
Excellent work, team.
Systems online. Conducting CalMech radio check, channel 16.
She's seated on the taper. Bring the nut down.
Roger that. Engaging the Hydra-Track.
Gates are sealed. All stations, begin flooding sequence immediately.
Look at her float! We did it! We did it! Dead slow ahead, both engines.
Command, perimeter is established. Maintain strict observation.
Copy. Vessel docking procedures commencing.
Through their tireless efforts, the restoration team has ensured the legacy of the K-347. It is
Sensor readings confirmed.
All green across the board, ma'am. Logging final verification.